To some, Thessaloniki is a glikomana, or sweet mother, literally. Almost everywhere you turn, there is a shop selling soropiasta, syrup-drenched phyllo pastries in every shape and size. One whole area of the city, Panorama, is known for a particular sweet, the large triangular custard-filled phyllo pies called trigona. Then there is Bougatsa, a kind of poster child for Thessaloniki's rich pastry heritage. Bandis Bougatsa has been perfecting these pastries for generations, and pastry chef Philippos Bandis is going to show me how they're made. In other parts of Greece, we know Bougatsa as something sweet.
Yes.
Cream-filled pastry.
Yeah.
In Thessaloniki, it can be filled with almost anything, right?
In Thessaloniki, we fill it with cheese, with meat, with spinach, and with cream, of course.
And with cream. And you're one of the last, I think, you mentioned Bougatsa makers.
We are only a few left that make Bougatsa by hand now. I took it from my father and from my grandfather, and I love it so much.
I'm really looking forward to seeing this up close. Wow, that's really elastic.
Okay, a little back.
Okay.
Okay.
This is very buttery. And then you add more butter on top.
Yeah, like that.
Wow.
But the old chefs put twice
as much?
Yeah, as much that we put here now. If you ask an old Bougatsa maker, if the phyllo does not full of fats, it's not good. A little more. And now we put our sweet custard cream.
And what's in the custard?
It's only milk, sugar, vanilla, thin semolina.
So almost the same as galaktoboureko?
Yes, almost the same,
Yeah.
without the eggs. And here we try to support all the local producers. So the milk is from a village outside Thessaloniki.
Ah.
My cheese, the same, from around here.
Now that this is done, what do you do next?
Okay, I put it in here. And now it will go into the oven in 180 degrees for about half an hour.
Okay. Chef, I can't wait to taste this. I love Bougatsa, but I want to taste the famous Bandis, Bougatsa of Thessaloniki. Perfect.
Ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ.
And now I understand why you and your Bougatsa are so famous. It's not very sweet.
Yes.
It's really flaky. It's really buttery. It's perfect for breakfast.
The best way to start your day.
And I thank you. Thank you for sharing your family and story and a little bit of your technique.
I thank you very much for coming here.
This was great. Ήταν πραγματικά πάρα πολύ ωραίο.
Χαίρομαι πάρα πολύ.